Today I show you how to open a bottle of sparkling water or mineral water, the one that has these bubbles. The bottle is very pressurized inside, like a soda drink, and you want to open it without splashing water everywhere. This is one of my favorite brands of sparkling water, mineral water. This is natural mineral water, Borsec from Romania. It's a Romanian mineral water, and it's from the Carpathian Mountains. There is all the information here. If you're curious about it, you can read about this water, what it's doing. Maybe you can search on Google. I don't know if I remember to put something in the description of this video. But this is sparkling water. It's mineral water. The bubbles are really just like the soda, but I'm not sure how natural it is, if this is occurring naturally from the spring or they add carbon dioxide. But I will show you how to open the bottle of sparkling water without getting water everywhere, because usually these are really pressurized, and when you shake them there's even more pressure inside. So the problem is when you open it, it will spill everywhere. But there is an interesting, really nice way to do it, and I've been drinking sparkling water a lot of times, and if you're not careful you will spill water everywhere, but if you do it how I show you, you will be fine. So I'll show you. Okay, so first and most important, if you have any kind of safety, if you have any kind of safety labels like this, you would have to remove it. But this video is not about this part, so I will skip through this quickly, as quick as I can. Oh, perfect. Okay, I will show you the way I like to do it. I like to do it, open it a little bit and then screw it back in, and then open it again slowly. Like this, it will release most of the pressure from the bottle, because it's really pressurized here. You see how much pressure it is. Even here you can see the bend on this cup. So I will open it slowly and then close it before the water level starts to go up and tries to come out, and then open it slowly again. So I will do it with the left hand here. So opening, and then closing. This one is not very pressurized. It's a bit cold now. It's winter time. But if it was summer, you would open it a bit, and then when you see the water level goes up, close it again and then open it slowly. And then there is this thing in the EU now. We have this cup. It doesn't detach from the bottle. Take a nice glass cup and pour some water. Don't forget to close the cap on the bottle, and this is natural mineral water. Oh yeah. You should give this a try if you can find it where you live, or any other brand. Sparkling water, it might not make you feel like you drank enough water, but it's nice to try it once in a while. Thanks for watching.